Hello world, I am Manish and welcome to Cybosocks. In this video, you will know how robot sees light, how robot know whether it's dark or light. The answer of all these questions are LDR sensor. So let's understand what LDR sensors are. LDR is a robotic sensor which detects light. When light shines on it, it will convert light into electrical signals which our brain will convert into values. This is how robot understood whether it's light or dark. If the values are very small, it means it is dark. If values are very high, it means it is bright. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybosocks Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybosocks car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of our USB to our computer. Connect 3-pin cable to LDR and other end of 3-pin cable to analog port. Place the plate and put LDR here. Before going to code, let's understand flowchart and algorithm of this code. First we are going to start our program. Then we will create our LDR pin. Yes, as we are doing with other sensors and components, we are going to first initialize LDR pin. Always remember, whenever you are connecting any sensor and devices into our brain, first initialize their pins. After initializing their pin, we will read its value and print it. After this, we are going to repeat this process again. We are repeating why? Because we are continuously reading the values and perform actions with it. Now understand algorithm. First we are going to read the value, print the value and wait for it and repeat it again. Now let's code our LDR program. First open our Google Chrome and type Cybosocks. Visit cybosocks.com. On the top panel you can see block editor, click on it. As we have discussed earlier, always first initialize our pin. So we are going to pin and devices and pick our get analog LDR. We are going to name it LDR and choose our port analog 1. After this we are going to continuously read LDR values. For this we are going to control and pick while loop block and we are doing continuously. So we will set its condition to true. Go to math and logic, pick true block. After this we are going to print our LDR values, so pick print. After this go to input and print, pick two value block. First value will be, yes, our string. Here we are going to write LDR value. For the second value we will be reading the values. For this go to pin and devices and pick read analog LDR value, name it LDR. Now we have written our code. Let's click on connect brain. Choose USB serial. Click on connect. When you see connected successfully, click on run code. Now as you can see, our value is 830. Now cover your LDR with your hand. Now you can see our value is decreasing because when it is dark, value will be low. I will removing my hand and value will increase. Now let's compare our flowchart with our program. We are first starting our program. We are starting our program. Then we are creating LDR. Then we are creating LDR. After this, we are reading LDR value and printed. We are reading LDR value and printed. After this, we are continuously read and print. We are continuously read and print. Now you have understood how robots see light and how they determine whether it's bright or dark. If you have understood how LDR works and how to use it, please subscribe our channel and like this video. In the next video, we are going to make a big project. In this project, if robot detects it is dark, it will light on the bulb. If it sees it is light, it will switch off our bulb.